In today's video, we will discuss 20 effective tips to lose belly fat. Belly fat is more than a nuisance that makes your clothes feel tight. It's seriously harmful. This type of fat, referred to as visceral fat, is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Many health organizations use body mass index to classify weight and predict the risk of metabolic disease. However, this is misleading, as people with excess belly fat are at an increased risk, even if they look thin. Though losing fat from this area can be difficult, there are several things you can do to reduce excess abdominal fat. Here are 20 effective tips to lose belly fat, backed by scientific studies. Before proceeding, if you are new on this channel or haven't subscribed Health Byte YouTube channel, do subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up to get started. "20 effective tips to lose belly fat." Backed by science. 1. Eat plenty of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber may help you to lose weight by increasing fullness and reducing calorie absorption. Try to include plenty of high-fiber foods in your weight loss diet. 2. Avoid foods that contain trans fats. Some studies have linked a high intake of trans fat to increased belly fat gain. Regardless of whether you're trying to lose weight, limiting your intake of trans fat is a good idea. 3. Don't drink too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake has been associated with increased belly fat. If you need to reduce your waistline, consider drinking alcohol in moderation or abstaining completely. 4. Eat a high-protein diet. High-protein foods, such as fish, lean meat, and beans, are ideal if you're trying to shed some extra pounds around your waist. 5. Reduce your stress levels. Stress may promote fat gain around your waist. Minimizing stress should be one of your priorities if you're trying to lose weight. 6. Don't eat a lot of sugary foods. Excessive sugar intake is a major cause of weight gain in many people. Limit your intake of candy and processed foods high in added sugar. 7. Do aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise is an effective weight loss method. Studies suggest it's particularly effective at slimming your waistline. 8. Cut back on carbs, especially refined carbs. A high intake of refined carbs is associated with excessive belly fat. Consider reducing your carb intake or replacing refined carbs in your diet with healthy carb sources, such as whole grains, legumes, or vegetables. 9. Replace some of your cooking fats with coconut oil. Studies suggest that using coconut oil instead of other cooking oils may help reduce abdominal fat. 10. Perform resistance training. Strength training can be an important weight loss strategy and may help reduce belly fat. Studies suggest it's even more effective in combination with aerobic exercise. 11. Avoid sugar-sweetened beverages. Avoiding all liquid forms of sugar, such as sugar-sweetened beverages, is very important if you're trying to shed some extra pounds. 12. Get plenty of restful sleep. Sleep deprivation is linked to an increased risk of weight gain. Getting enough high-quality sleep should be one of your main priorities if you plan to lose weight and improve your health. 13. Track your food intake and exercise. As a general weight loss advice, it's always a good idea to keep track of what you're eating. Keeping a food diary or using an online food tracker are two of the most popular ways to do this. 14. Eat fatty fish every week. Eating fatty fish or taking omega-3 supplements may improve your overall health. Some evidence also suggests it may reduce belly fat in people with fatty liver disease. 15. Stop drinking fruit juice. When it comes to fat gain, fruit juice can be just as bad as sugary soda. Consider avoiding all sources of liquid sugar to increase your chance of successfully losing weight. 16. Add apple cider vinegar to your diet. Apple cider vinegar may help you to lose some weight. Animal studies suggest it may help to reduce belly fat. 17. Eat probiotic foods or take a probiotic supplement. Taking probiotic supplements may help promote a healthy digestive system. Studies also suggest that beneficial gut bacteria may help promote weight loss. 18. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Studies suggest that it may be one of the most effective ways to lose weight and belly fat. 19. Drink green tea. Regularly drinking green tea has been linked to weight loss, though it's probably not as effective on its own and best combined with exercise. 20. Change your lifestyle and combine different methods. Losing weight, and keeping it off, is difficult, unless you permanently change your dietary habits and lifestyle. That's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to share. Also, if you are new to Health Byte, subscribe us. And to get any update from us, hit the bell icon. Take care of yourself and we will see you in another amazing video.